Hi, Pathblazer families. And this is specifically for fourth graders. I've been hearing things that you guys are just having some issues with the social studies not behaving correctly. And we just really want to make sure that all of the standards are met, and hopefully this will be the fix for you. I went in and created the standards based on the Oklahoma state standards for social studies for fourth grade, and just created a few lessons to get us through the end of the semester. And then that'll hopefully give me some time to dive into why the social studies that was created for us is just not behaving for whatever reason. But for right now, we're going to make sure that we're staying on top of our standards that we need to learn. So your Odyssey dashboard is going to look exactly the same. If you click on social studies, you should have semester A and semester B should not be there anymore like they were before. If they're still there, please let me know. I'm trying to get in and check everybody's, but I haven't had quite a chance yet. So if you see semester A, semester B, please don't click on them. You're going to see this new one that says fourth grade social studies, and I should say semester A there, but it's the only option to click on, so that makes it a little nice. So if you'll click there, this is the rest of everything that needs to be done by December 18th if you want to take that Thanksgiving break and then the 2 weeks around Christmas to be caught up on pacing for social studies. All of these need to be done by December 18th if that's the pacing that you chose. So you'll notice that all of these, oops, go back. Sorry, guys. You'll notice that all of these little folders have 2 lessons and then a quiz. There are 5, 10, 15 of them, and we have about 6 weeks before the break. So I think if you can get 2 of these done a week, I think that will be just fine. This is not going to be crazy amounts of work that you need to get done, but this will keep us on pace in social studies for fourth grade for this semester. And it's pretty simple. I picked 2 of the smaller standards so that we could get our feet under us and get some confidence in social studies before we start semester 2 or semester B that you'll see here in Pathblazer. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, it's going to look the same. Here's your dashboard. Just click on social studies again. And then again, you've got about 15 of these lessons portals to work through. Like I said, if you can get about 2 done every week, not even a day, but just 2 done a week, I think that you'll be right on pace to be able to have those breaks that we're all going to so desperately need. So if you have any questions, I'm always here. Let me know, and have a good day.